Therefore, the degree of the term negative 8x to the power of 5 y to the power of 2 is 7. We add the exponents on the variables. The exponents of x is 5 and the exponent of y is 2. 5 plus 2, that is 7. Therefore, the degree of the term negative 8x to the 5 y squared is 7. And the degree of the term 3x to the power of 6 y to the power of 3 is 9. We add the exponents on the variables. X to the power of 6, y to the power of 3. 6 plus 3, that is 9. And the degree of the term negative 4x y to the 6 is 7. We add the exponents on the variables. 1 plus 6, that is 7. In the polynomial, negative 8x to the power of 5 y squared plus 3x to the power of 6 y cubed minus 4x y to the power of 6, the term 3x to the power of 6 y to the power of 3 has the greatest degree, which is 9. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 9. And since the polynomial has 3 terms, therefore it is a trinomial. مثال: رتب البولينوميال ثم أوجد الدرجة والمعامل الرئيسي. A 4x تربيع ناقص 5x أس 7 ناقص 2 زائد 3x. B 16. Example: write the polynomial in standard form, then identify its degree and leading coefficient. A 4x to the power of 2 minus 5x to the power of 7 minus 2 plus 3x. B 16. A. The polynomial 4x squared minus 5x to the power of 7 minus 2 plus 3x can be written in standard form as negative 5x to the power of 7 plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. The degree of the polynomial is 7 and the leading coefficient is negative 5. B. The polynomial 16. The polynomial 16 can be written in standard form as 16. The degree is 0 and the leading coefficient is 16. Combining like terms. Like terms are the terms that contain exactly the same variables raised to exactly the same powers. مثال: أوجد حاصل جمع افتح قوس 4w زائد 5 سكر القوس زائد افتح قوس 16w ناقص 9 سكر القوس. Example: find the sum of open parentheses 4w plus 5 close parentheses plus open parentheses 16w minus 9 close parentheses. To find the sum, we have to remove the parentheses. To remove the parentheses, notice that there is nothing on the left side of the first parentheses. Therefore, we can remove them. But there is a plus sign on the left side of the second parentheses. So we have to multiply the plus sign inside the second parentheses to remove them. We will have 4w plus 5 plus 16w minus 9. We can add only the like terms. 4w plus 16w, that's 20w. 5 minus 9, that is negative 4. We will have 20w plus negative 4 plus times negative, that's a negative. Therefore, we will have 20w minus 4. Subtracting polynomials. To subtract one polynomial from another, change the sign of each term that is being subtracted and then combine the like terms. مثال: اطرح، افتح قوس، x تربيع ناقص x سكر القوس ناقص افتح قوس x ناقص 2 سكر القوس. Example: find the difference of open parentheses x squared minus x close parentheses minus open parentheses x minus 2 close parentheses. To subtract, we have to remove the parentheses. Notice that there is nothing on the left side of the first parentheses. Therefore, we can remove them. But there is a minus sign on the left side of the second parentheses. So we have to multiply the minus sign inside the second parentheses to remove them. Minus times plus is minus. Minus times minus, that is a plus. So we will have x squared minus x plus 2. We can add or subtract only the like terms. We will have x squared minus 2x plus 2. مثال: استخدم الشكل العمودي للطرح. افتح قوس 3x تربيع زائد 7x ناقص 6 سكر القوس ناقص افتح قوس 3x تربيع زائد 7x سكر القوس. Example: use a vertical format to find the difference. Open parentheses 3x squared plus 7x minus 6 close parentheses minus open parentheses 3x squared plus 7x close parentheses. To subtract, we have to remove the parentheses. Notice that there is nothing on the left side of the first parentheses. Therefore, we can remove them. But there is a minus sign on the left side of the second parentheses. So we have to multiply the minus sign inside the second parentheses to remove them. Minus times plus, that is a minus. Minus times plus, that is a minus. So we will have 3x squared plus 7x minus 6 minus 3x squared minus 7x. Now we can use the vertical format. Three x squared minus 3x squared equals to 0. 7x minus 7x equals to 0. minus 6. So the answer is minus 6. مثال: أوجد مساحة المنطقة المظللة للمستطيل. Example: find an expression for the area of the shaded region. The area of a rectangle equals to length times width. The area of the outer rectangle equals to 3x times x. The area of the inner rectangle equals to 8 times 1 over 4x, which is equals to 2x. The area of the shaded region equals to area of outer rectangle minus the area of the inner rectangle, which is equals to 3x squared minus 2x. مثال: إذا كانت بي الإكس تساوي إكس تربيع ناقص 5x ناقص 32، أوجد بي السالب 8. Example: if p of x equals to x squared minus 5x minus 32, find p of negative 8. Substitute negative 8 for x. We will have p of negative 8 equals to negative 8 to the whole square minus 5 times negative 8 minus 32. Negative 8 to the whole square equals to 64. Therefore, p of negative 8 equals to 64 minus 5 times negative 8 minus 32. Minus 5 times negative 8, that's equal to plus 40. So p of negative 8 equals to 64 plus 40 minus 32. 64 plus 40, that's 104. So p of negative 8 equals to 104 minus 32, which is equals to 72. مثال: أوجد قيمة y زائد 2z تقسيم 5y ناقص x z عندما تكون قيمة الx تساوي سالب 5 وقيمة الy تساوي سالب 2 وقيمة الz تساوي 3. Example: evaluate y plus 2z divided by 5y minus xz for x equals to negative 5, y equals to negative 2, z equals to 3. Substitute x for negative 5 and y for negative 2 and z for 3. We will have negative 2 plus 2 times 3 divided by 5 times negative 2 minus negative 5 times 3, which is equals to negative 2 plus 6 divided by negative 10 plus 15, which is equals to 4 over 5.